Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new cold day here. Oh my gosh, it is freezing this morning. Look at Tyler. Tyler, say morning to the Faves. No, Agwan? No? Tyler say, Mama, it's cold. I can feel my fingers because, and it's feeling like this because it's a little bit windy. No. When after training you get pretzel. Say morning, Fizz. You look so cute. I just love her little fluffy jacket. You guys, if you guys are in a cold country, ooh, it's my bus, girl. It's my bus. It's my bus. Bus. Bonjour. Bus came while I was talking to you guys, but I can take off my mask now. Whew. So I was at the bus stop waiting on the bus when I was talking to you guys. We are on our way to go to track training for Tyler. So that's where I'm heading.
You do workout.
And me do workout. So since last week, Tyler trained at the indoor stadium, which makes it hard for me to find a good workout spot. When he used to train outdoor on the field, there were many fields around where I could just choose one and work out on. But the indoor stadium is a little bit away from the outdoor fields. So I couldn't get to work out on a track last week, but I found some stairs and some steps. I found some stairs and I worked out there last week. So if he's training indoor this week again, which more than likely he will because it's a little bit chilly for the younger kids to train on the outdoors. So if that's the case, I'm gonna have to go back to the steps this week again, but we'll find a way, we'll make it work because the job I have to get done. I have to get my workout in any days that I can. I have to get it in. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Baby's off to work and I'm doing what I have to do here. So you guys will see babe later. So if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you're returning, then welcome back. And make sure that your notification is on so you don't miss a vlog when we upload. We're at the tram station. This is a port for the tram. Let me show you what it looks like. So in France, at a few tram stops, they have these big parkings because they're they're influencing the public to drive and park their car here and take the tram to go into town. So they're influencing us not to drive into town, into the city, but more to take the tram so that is not too much traffic and to kind of eliminate pollution a little bit. So there are a lot of these are around. So this is what babe does. He drove to one of these, not this one, but one like this, and then park his car and then take the tram into town. So we're at the stadium right now. It's the first I'm taking you guys a view of the actual stadium. Should show you guys what it looks like. So here we go.
Grandma, I forgot that there was one of this that was that carrot that Papa always wanted to take picture and
right. Let's make this truck go in first. Here is the indoor stadium right here that we're walking past. But it seemed like it's not happening here today because Tyler coach is right in front of us. So I'm just following her to see where training will be today. So we're going around. If they come back around here, then we can just come back. But here she's chanting Candy. Why is she saying Candy?
Maybe she wants Candy to eat. Candy.
But here my daughter chanting Candy though, so early in the morning. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. But she's chanting Candy. But look at you, not a candy you're getting today, get candy yesterday. Yeah. No, when I was cooking these steps, but on the other side of the stadium that I had workout last week, because there's another track right there. There is basketball over here. There is football right here in front of us. There's more track around there where we're going. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so this track is a track that I normally work out on in the mornings while Tyler work out on the red one over there. But let's see if they're gonna stay here or they're gonna go indoors today. But it's cold, no? It's so cold. My fingers are freezing. So this is normally my track, and there's another section over here where you do shot put and discus. Plus there's another field behind this one. So there's quite a few.
There's so much.
Yes. Oh, seems like you're gonna stay here today. So this is where Tyler trains. I'm freezing! I'm freezing. Let me just say hats off to every athlete that train in a cold country and don't have an indoor space to work out when it's this cold. Because let me tell you, my body is okay, but my fingers are freezing. They're numb. And because it's windy, OMG. I'm gonna have to let Tyler carry his gloves next week, and I'm gonna have to let Sarah start wearing gloves as of now, because if my fingers are feeling like this, I can't imagine what Sarah is feeling. Anyway, we're here at Tyler training, and I'm gonna try and get my workout in as soon as Tyler training begins. So we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Yes, Ty?
Don't forget to do the video.
What video? When you're training?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do that, okay?
Send it to Auntie Elaine.
Alright. Easy to do this video, I send it to Auntie Elaine. This is my setup. Sarah living her best life right now with her toys and her tablet. Tyler is over here beside me working out. See if you guys can see. He's in one of these groups. The group's all the way at the back. And there's some people on the field, but not too much. Yeah, so it's my turn right now to get my workout in. I think I'm gonna wake up in the morning on a Wednesday and work out before I come here because I can't do this school. No girl, it's not for me. It's not for me to work out in it, no. To stay in it one place, yes, but to work out in it is a no-go. I'm catching a piece of Tyler training for you guys. It's Tyler in the blue behind the person who is about to go. guys, look who came home and working out. Let's go spy. Watch him looking at me. Run, Forrest, run! Look at me, it is freezing. Oh my gosh, I'm in town right now. I'm in town and it's freezing. I came to town to pick up a few things that I want. I went to the meat market. I didn't film because it was raining, so it's still wet out here. I went to get oxtail, chicken. Baby's always calling me when I'm talking to you guys. So I was telling you guys that I'm in town and it's raining. I pick up, I make a few stops. When I reach home, I'll show you guys what the things that I pick up. But I couldn't vlog while I was doing all that because it was raining. Let me take down my mask a bit. It was raining, so I just pick up what I wanted. But I'm meeting up with my girl Tashika in town and we're gonna have lunch and then I'm gonna head home because I have to pick up Tyler from school. So that's what I'm gonna do and I'll catch you guys when I reach home. Of course I have to get Sarah ice cream. So we stop at this store. It's a creperie. They do crepe, donuts, churros, and Sarah on ice cream. Look how yummy those are. And ice cream? Ice cream? Ice cream in the cold. How does that work? Ice cream in the cold. Look. Say thank you. Merci. Oh yeah. Oh la la. This is what happened when mama put you to nap and you crying out your lungs and don't want to nap. Went for brother at school and she fell asleep. And Chef, what you doing?
Dumpling.
You're making dumpling? Yes. Put in your soup?
Yes.
Yesterday tell me mama want dumpling, so I'm making soup for him.
It's not really like this, Mama.
Repeat?
It's not really we do a round and we do like a sausage how we do dumplings.
We are making different, you have different type of dumpling.
I'm going to
This
show
is
you
one
how
type
to do
of dumpling.
a real dumpling. First, we roll it in a sausage.
Okay, that's real dumpling.
Then we mash it up.
That's real dumpling?
Yes.
No, that's not true.
Yes.
That's when you're making festival.
This and now we roll it.
Okay, go ahead, let me see.
Roll.
So you're rolling it back how you had it before you flat it?
And we roll, put it like this. This is what I call real dumpling.
Okay, that's your version of a real dumpling. Put it. Okay, sir. So that's how you make real dumpling.
Yes.
He's teaching me how to make real dumpling. You guys see what's going on here? I love when my dumplings this little and cute in the soup.
Oh yes.
Don't flat it out like that, Ty.
But
That's
my
not
version.
Okay.
Everybody have a different version.
Okay. What a boy love cook. You love cooking?
Yes.
What is your favorite thing to cook? What you enjoy to cook the most with Mama?
Dumpling. Mama, look at my leg dance.
That's a dumpling dance?
Yes.
Come, show Faith the dumpling dance.
No, I don't want to do that. Okay.
Alright, dumpling man. I'm going to read a story for you that we learn as kids growing up in Jamaica about dumpling. I don't know if they have a French version. It goes, Zachariah Z. Zachariah Z got a dumpling stuck in his head. I don't remember all of it. I'm going to have to look for it online and read it for you. But it's about dumpling.
All of this.
Yes. Zachariah loved dumpling and the dumpling stuck in his mouth. I'm going to have to look for the story and read it for you. I went to town on about this chicken and oxtail.
And time.
No, I didn't buy the time. Guys, I finally decided that I'm going to bake Christmas cake. Because on a serious note, when my mom sent me package, it take forever. My mom sent me package about 3 weeks ago and all know my package don't reach. So I'm scared that my cake will never reach, and because it's food, I'm not even going to play those games. So I decided that, why not? Bake, 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 bake. So I bought prunes today. And I'm not going to make the mistake this year of blending the prunes with the seed in it. These have seeds, so I'm just going to take them out. I bought raisins and I bought currants. When I'm making the cake, you'll get some. Okay? I think I have raisin in here. You look, some boy love raisin. Let me see if I find some in here, give you to eat now. Ta-da! You finished making the dumpling? Huh? Oh my gosh, you're a hot mess. You are a hot mess. You open it? Give me a hand.
All of it.
All of what? No more. It will help with the caca. Go and sit down and eat them. So I need to go buy wine. Soup, rich and nice and ready for teeth and tongue.